Many of us spend a significant portion of our lives working, so it's important to find a job that not only pays the bills but also brings fulfillment and happiness. In this video, I will go through some tips and tricks to help you discover your passions and find a career that aligns with them. I'm Vineet. Welcome back to my channel. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Identify your passions and interests. When it comes to finding a job that you genuinely love, the first and most important step is to identify your passion and interests. This means taking the time to reflect on what you enjoy doing, what motivates you, and what you're passionate about. It's important to remember that your job should be more than just a paycheck. It should also align with your personal values and provide a sense of fulfillment. Here are some ways to identify your passions and interests. Number 1. Reflect on your hobbies and interests. Start by making a list of your hobbies, interests, and activities that you enjoy doing in your free time. This can help you identify what you're naturally drawn to and what brings you joy. For example, if you love spending time outdoors and being active, you may be interested in jobs related to environmental conservation or outdoor recreation. Number 2. Consider your values. Think about what's important to you and what values you want to align with in your career. Do you want to make a positive impact on the world? Do you value creativity and innovation? Do you want to work with people or animals? For example, if you value helping others and making a difference, you may be interested in jobs in the non-profit sector or social services. Reflect on your skills and strengths. Consider what skills and strengths you have and how they should be applied in a job that aligns with your interests. This can help you identify what type of work you may enjoy and excel at. For example, if you have strong communication and leadership skills, you may be interested in jobs in management or public relations. Number 4. Experiment with new things. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside of your comfort zone. This can help you discover new interests and passions that you may not have considered before. For example, if you have never tried volunteering before, consider giving it a try. You may discover a passion for helping others and find that you want to pursue a career in the non-profit sector. Once you have identified your passions and interests, you can start researching jobs and industries that align with them. This can help you narrow down your job search and focus on finding opportunities that you're truly excited about. Tip number 2. Consider your skills and strengths. While it's important to follow your passions, it's also essential to consider your skills and strengths when looking for a job. Think about what you're good at and what skills you have developed over the years. This could be anything from problem solving to public speaking to coding. For example, if you're good at problem solving, you can consider a career in management consulting or software engineering. If you're skilled in public speaking, you could explore careers in sales or marketing. If you're good at coding, you could consider a career in software development or data analysis. If you have the talent for art, you could consider a career as an illustrator, graphic designer, or animator. Tip 3. Research your desired industry. After identifying your passions and interests, the next step is finding a job that you genuinely love is to research your desired industry. This means taking the time to learn about different career paths, job opportunities, and skills required to succeed in the field. Here are some ways to researching your desired industry. Conduct informational interviews. Reach out to professionals in the industry and ask if they would be willing to have an informational interview with you. This is a great way to learn about their career path, the skills required to succeed in the field, and what they enjoy about the job. For example, if you're interested in working in the tech industry, you could reach out to a software engineer or product manager and ask if they would be willing to chat with you. Number 2. Attend industry events. Attend networking events, conferences, and meetups in your desired industry. This can help you connect with other professionals, learn about industry trends, and gain insights into what it's like to work in the field. For example, if you are interested in the marketing industry, you could attend a marketing conference or join a local marketing group. Number 3. Read industry publications. Stay up to date on industry news and trends by reading industry publications and blogs. This can help you understand the current state of the industry and what skills are in high demand. So for example, if you are interested in the finance industry, you could read publications like the Wall Street Journal or the Financial Times or Forbes to learn about the latest trends and news in the field. Number 4. Research job opportunities. Look at job postings in your desired industry and read through the job requirements and responsibilities. This can help you identify what skills and qualifications are necessary to succeed in the field. So for example, if you're interested in working in the healthcare sector, you could look at job postings for nurses, doctors, and healthcare administrators to understand what skills and qualifications are required. By researching your desired industry, you can gain valuable insights into what it takes to succeed in the field and identify job opportunities that align with your interests and skills. This can help you narrow down your job search and focus on finding opportunities that you're truly excited about. Tip number 4, gain relevant experience. One of the best ways to increase your chances of finding a job you love is to gain relevant experience. This could be through internships, volunteering, or part-time jobs. This will not only help you develop your skills, but also give you a better understanding of the industry and the job market. So for example, if you want to work in the film industry, you could consider interning for a production company or volunteering at a film festival. This will give you a chance to network with industry professionals, learn about different roles, and gain hands-on experience. Similarly, if you're interested in the non-profit sector, you could consider volunteering at a non-profit organization or attending events and fundraisers and learning about the different areas of work. Tip number 5, network with industry professionals. Networking is a crucial part of finding a job that you genuinely love. This involves building relationships with people in your desired industry, attending industry events, and seeking mentorship from experienced professionals. So for example, if you want to work in the fashion industry, you would attend fashion shows and events, join fashion groups on social media, and reach out to fashion bloggers and influencers. Similarly, if you're interested in the tech industry, you could attend tech conferences and meetups, join tech groups on social media, and reach out to professionals in the industry via LinkedIn or other networking platforms. By building relationships with industry professionals, you can learn about job opportunities, gain valuable advice and insights, and increase your chances of landing a job that aligns with your interests and skills. Tip number 6, be open to new opportunities. While it's important to have a clear idea of what you want in a job, it's also essential to be open to new opportunities. Sometimes the perfect job may not be exactly what you had in mind, but it may still provide you with the chance to develop your skills, work with inspiring people, and make a meaningful impact. So for example, let's say you're interested in working in the fashion industry as a fashion designer, but you come across a job opportunity as a fashion marketer. While it may not be the ideal role, it could still provide you with the chance to work with amazing brands, learn about the latest trends, and contribute to the industry in a meaningful way. By being open to new opportunities, you may discover a career path that you may never even have considered before. Tip number 7, don't give up. Finding a job that you genuinely love can be a challenging process, and it may take time and effort to get there. It's important to stay motivated, persistent, and optimistic throughout the job search process. Remember that every rejection or setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, and that your dream job may just be around the corner. For example, let's say you have been searching for a job in the non-profit sector for months, but you haven't had any luck yet. Instead of giving up, you could try reaching out to industry professionals, volunteering at a non-profit organization, or gaining additional skills through online courses or workshops. By staying persistent and motivated, you may eventually land a job that aligns with your passions and interests. Finding a job that you genuinely love is possible, but it requires self-reflection, research, and persistence. Remember that your dream job may not come overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your career goals and find a job that you genuinely love. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please subscribe for more helpful career development content and click on that like button to get this video recommended to other people. I also make videos to help you grow your wealth and on property investing. Feel free to check out those videos here. Also, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.